lit. We got Tony with us, man. Tony Rich, Will Rich. You know what I'm saying? We got my boy Sharp, the sharp one.
Exotic. Let's get it, man. We got the no jumper interview with the funny Hoover. Let's see what's going on. Let's get it.
You know what I'm saying? And the man of the hour, Mr. 55th Street himself. Cripmac.
How you go up your crib?
Man, this gonna be an interesting
conversation. He a Hoover, he a Crip, and he funny. Somebody let me know something that's from California. How can a Hoover be a Crip and be funny at the same time? Let me know in the comments. Let's get to it.
Yeah. Oh, right no. That's how I thought
my crib. Yeah, that's the
I'm already outdoing you.
Yeah. That's the penitentiary
That's the
seat.
Penitentiary seat. He said he been to the pen. We gonna get to it,
I haven't been to the pen. I've been to jail.
Yo, you been to jail. So you been to the county.
I've been to the county. I've been to a few counties.
Yeah.
So you been to the county. Who put you down? Like, how did you get down? How did you become a gangbanger? Is what they need to be asking you. Like, what is happening? How did this happen?
Yeah, so look, man.
You ever been to L.A. County Jail?
Hell no.
Yeah, oh, yeah, L.A. County Jail.
He sound like he don't want to go neither.
Hold on, though. Men's Central Jail is nothing but your homeboys in there. The Hoopers.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
I'm a fit right in.
Some of them
is vicious. I'm
gonna fit right in that.
But the police ask you if you gay or not, are you gonna tell them yes or no?
They gonna be able to see I'm gay.
So they gonna put you in powder blue. They're gonna separate. So they gonna separate you off the rip.
They don't have to though.
From who?
No, they're gonna make you.
You going with your homeboys?
Because Cripmac funny. He asked if you ever been to L.A. County Jail. Cripmac, you know them booty bandits in there. That's why you asking that. You trying to see if he was politicking with them other booty bandits. I know what you're doing. Let's get back to it.
In the jail in LA, they make all the gay people go to one side of the jail and all the straight people go. Why?
Yeah, because just to keep away. I told you.
Also, it's a Subway sandwich. Like I said, 5 each your song.
Oh, you got me this?
Yeah, we got sandwiches.
See, I'm respected already.
You know what? No, but look.
A 6 inch or a foot long.
Look, baby, you couldn't wait to get that joke off, huh? 6 inches to a foot long. He ain't smiling a little hard. Shout out to that boy Sharp. He ain't having no knee contact or nothing. That boy leaning off the edge of the goddamn table about to fall out the chair. Yeah, man, shout out Sharp though, man. Let's get back to it.
It better not be no poison in here, Cripmac. You better not be poisoning.
Hey,
your tattoo say
take a bite of it.
He'll
take a bite of it. That's how we do it in the county jail, especially with different people from different sets. Like, you know, when you make the Pruno drink in the county, if it's from another hood, make sure that, exactly, make sure I take a sip then on hood, like, all right, because now you take, so now you know it's official. Go ahead and take some of that, Rick,
I don't know if I'm gonna share that.
All right,
that's more like a date.
I'm a trust Cripmac.
Listen,
his tattoo say Hoover killer, so I'm a trust that ain't no killing drugs in this mother.
No. Look. This is different, kid. This is it's about elevation in life.
Right, so let's get into it. No jumper. What's going on?
I'm telling you, he couldn't even talk about gay at one point. So
no,
the
man,
fact that he showed up today,
that
shit damn near bring tears to my eyes, man. I love you for that.
Yeah.
Listen, so Tony, where you from?
So I'm from Fort Worth, Murder Worth. We kill a lot of out there. Murder Worth.
Funky town.
Funky town. But we ain't funky. I got on deodorant.
You say yes, ma'am, to me.
Yes, ma'am.
He say yes, man. No, sir, that ain't no man. She just look like one.
That's the nickname for the town.
All right,
you know, because we keep it in professional. You know, no
I'm from the south side.
You already know this.
I'm from the south side of Fort Worth.
Hey, that boy Sharp is on the edge of the table hanging off the chair. He said he don't want no knee contact. Don't let your hand accidentally hit my hand.
When that is like a little bit down the street, like on Rosedale and stuff. And that's where I come from. So we do it a little different in Fort Worth. So you see I got on orange. So in Fort Worth.
That's what they wear out here.
That's what they wear out here.
No. That's a dude.
Oh, the Hoovers wear orange.
Okay, everybody wear orange.
But I don't think you would right now want to go hang out on Fig and 74th or 52nd and Hoover. Well, you think you think?
Okay, so
say yes, ma'am, to me.
Yes, ma'am.
He say yes, man. No, sir, that ain't no man. She just look like one.
That's all right, Brown. That's all right, Brown. You gonna be fine. All dogs go to heaven.
A cheeseburger.
So do y'all like Hoovers?
Respect. No,
Okay.
no, we don't. We neighborhood Crips. We don't.
Yeah,
if I see a red